Hello YouTube, I've just come on today with a quick share of, if I can position the camera right, of how I package up my flat mail, or say a flip book or a pocket letter or a skinny loaded envelope so it goes on large letter. So how I do it is I cut a piece of cereal box, which is quite sturdy, which will hold the weight of your swap. Then let's take it all apart and then I can go through how I do it. Let's take it all off. So this is the skinny pocket that I've done, flat mail or whatever you want to call it. So I've used all the same paper so it all coordinates. These paper clips are just purely to keep the bits in place where I want them to stay. So this is homemade chipboard embellishments. So is this pack as well. And then in the main pocket I've done the to-do list because I really love the to-do list. A chipboard embellishment again that I've made, and a flower in the coordinating papers. And these are mini envelopes that have actually got a little card in so you could write a message, and a mini notebook. So that's what I've put in my flat mail. Just going to slide that onto the paper clip. So I'm going to package all these back up. Just make sure it's under that paper clip. There we go. And then I use this as a C6 bag, and I've glue dotted on the back already, so it doesn't go everywhere and your bits don't all fall out, and it stays all in one place and intact through postage. So you put it in a bag, or if you haven't got a bag, just a normal cello bag, just a normal liller C6, or is it C5 bag, or tissue paper. So that's 3 different options, and as you can see I've glue dotted on the back. So then I'm going to stick that down onto the piece of card. This is a rosette that I wanted to include, and I've just glue dotted that down because I know if I put it in there it's going to bulk it out. Then this little bag here, this little paper bag, I've put some gems, a little pack of stamped images, some more handmade embellishments, and another pack of handmade embellishments. That's what's in this little bag, but you could put whatever you want in the little bag. Obviously, it's just to show you how I pack it up to keep it for large letter. Fold it over, put a bit of washi tape on the top, and then stick it down to, I'm trying to get the camera to pick it up, but it's not going. And stick it down to the piece of card. There. So then next I made some more embellishments. This is Crafting with Lilia. I saw do this week. If you want to pop over to her channel, and she did these. Apparently the Maggie Holmes DIY embellishments, and she's got a tutorial on the channel. I've glue dotted on the back Oh, and plus all the papers that I've done, because I haven't got bag toppers on, I've run it through an embossing folder, so you would have noticed the papers are embossed, the cards embossed at the back. So I'll stick that down. That's all in place. Then I wanted to do a little one that matched the paper. So I've got a piece of washi tape on there already. So then I'll stick that down with a bit of washi tape. And that's all of it on a piece of card. Now you don't have to stop there. You could wrap it in tissue paper if you want it, you know, real big surprise, but so you can't see anything until you've sat down and you've already opened your envelope, and then it's a big surprise if you wrap it in tissue paper. These are Poundland to fit A4 size. I think you get 18 in a pack for £1. They're not good quality. You get what you pay for with these. So what I do is, after I've loaded what I'm going to put in the envelope, I reinforce all the sides with sellotape. And I just put half the sellotape over one edge, and flip it over, fold the sellotape over the other edge. It's reinforced, then trim the ends off and do all four sides. Let's just show you again what I've done. So then I'm going to put it into the envelope. Make sure that you've trimmed your card. That's another thing as well with these chipped envelopes. They always seem to be stuck down. Make sure, obviously, that your card's trimmed to fit in the envelope. Okay. This is actually going to somebody, so it doesn't matter if I do. Actually, I could have done one including a note, but if it does go to somebody, go a bit posted. Right, this is my homemade thickness measure, if you want. So it's 2.5 inches thick, and this is by the width that I've done. So I'm gonna pop it through there and see. Right, I don't know if you can see that. You should be able to. There is plenty of space for that to go through. You could add more if you want. You could fill the back of the card base that you've just put all your goodies on up and fill it up again, and it'll still go through. I don't think sometimes you realise how much you can actually get in on a thickness with 1 inch. You can get quite a lot. Now I'm going to have to turn this box around so I can just show you the measurements. So I've stuck it down to my box, so I've always got a record, I've always got a reference. Now it's going to show backwards, isn't it? But if you go on the Royal Mail site, it tells you the length, the width and the thicknesses of all standard letters, large letters, parcels. But if that weighed under 100 grams, that would post at 79p on second class. So posting your swaps doesn't have to be that expensive, as long as you're packing it with a view of keeping it flat, and the bulkier items are, like the wand was and the rosette, they're positioned so they're not overlapping the other stuff, so it keeps the bulkness down. If it weighs over 100 grams, you've got up to 250, and there's no way it's over 250, that. So that would post at £1.26. So £1.26, so you can do up to 250 grams for that. So you could put your metal charms in that weigh a bit more if you wanted to do a charm or something. Stuff that weighs just a little bit more, or even brought notepads that you've altered. Actually, it's surprising how much they weigh if you buy the notepads and you alter them, not the ones that you make yourself. So that's it really. It's just I just thought I'd share how I pack my flat mail, my skinny pockets, my skinny envelopes, my flip books, my pocket letters up, just so it gives you an idea, so you don't get stung for postage and end up paying parcel prices instead of large letter prices. I really hope that's helped. And again, you can see the thickness of that. It's not very thick at all. And let me know if you've got any more tips for how to pack flat mail and how you pack yours up to keep it at large letter prices. Well, thank you so much for watching if you watched, and I hope you have a good day. Bye.